4 dimensions of process performance. Consider operations in a restaurant. When a customer comes to a restaurant to have a meal, what does this customer expect from the restaurant? Well, the customer expects to have this meal in a timely fashion, without much delay. A customer expects a certain set of options, perhaps a menu with choices of meals and drinks. The customer expects good quality food and service. And the customer also expects a reasonably low cost of the service. If you consider another type of service like a hospital, again, time is important. Let's say if you come to emergency room, then you would like to receive help as quickly as possible. If you need other types of health services, you don't want to wait for too long before you get a surgery or another help. You need a hospital to provide the right type of help that you require. So variety is important. Quality is extremely important in a hospital. You want to leave the hospital healthy with as little impact, negative impact on your health, like side effects, as possible. And of course, you expect reasonably low cost. If you consider manufacturing in a factory, same dimensions can be observed. Products have to be delivered in a timely fashion. If you would like to buy a car, you don't want to wait for too long for it to be delivered. Variety is also very important. That's why we have multiple models, of course. Perhaps within the same model, we have certain options to choose from. Quality is extremely important because we don't want our cars to break. And costs of purchasing or maintenance or other types of costs related to having a car are very important. So whatever type of process we consider, we can observe these performance dimensions. Cost, right, measured, for example, by some kind of efficiency, like cost per unit of product or goods or service. Variety, actually customers don't require variety as such. They just want the type of product that they desire. So a process has to provide variety in order to accommodate different types of customers. Quality, generally measured on how good a product or service is from the perspective of the customer, right? How satisfied the customer is with the product. And then time is important. Time as measured as responsiveness to the demand. Does the customer find the product that they desire at the time they would like to have it?